Welcome to Redsquadron4 Box Break number 19 for a single box of 1112 Limited. The time's 8:09 on October 13th. The first bonus card, the Hemsky Game Worn Gear Titanium from this year, goes to E-Froggy, who got more than 10 teams, 15, 17, something in that range. Congratulations. And these two little inserts are going to go to one of the teams that doesn't catch a hit today. This is the box. Serial number. There we go. And good luck, everyone. Yeah, those two bonus cards are going to be from the last year's contenders. A Cam Fowler and a Tim Thomas. Just little hits. The first card for the Boston Bruins is numbered 80 out of 199. Stanley Cup Milt Schmidt. 80 out of 199. Next card for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Team Trademarks Rick Nash. Numbered 189 out of 299. Next, for the Carolina Hurricanes, a prime jersey Eric Stahl. This is numbered 20 of 25 for the Carolina Hurricanes. Next, also for the Boston Bruins, a Tyler Seguin, numbered 32 out of 99. Next card, a Phenoms, Blake Jeffrey on for the Nashville Predators. Nice autograph. This is numbered 155 out of 299. Wow. This is clearly a Bruins. Another card for the Bruins, Bernie Perrant, numbered 122 out of 299. For the Dallas Stars, Mike Ribeiro, 57 out of 299. And lastly, Patrick Marleau base, number 93 out of 299. I will delete these teams on random.org to figure out who gets those last two. So Boston is gone. Carolina got a hit with that prime Stahl. Nashville, Columbus, Dallas, and San Jose. So here are the teams that are still in it. We will randomize this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Pittsburgh Penguins will receive those 2 little bonus cards. Thanks so much, and congrats to the winners.